Hello friends, today we are going to see LDA instruction of 8085 microprocessor. LDA. LDA stands for load accumulator. Here LD stands for load, A stands for accumulator. Actual instruction is LDA address. LDA address. Now format of this instruction, this square bracket is read as content of address get copied into content of accumulator. So this instruction will copy the content of given address into accumulator. The content of address is 2-digit hexadecimal data. That data will get copied into accumulator. Content of this address will be a data, and that data will get copied into accumulator. So this instruction is used for loading accumulator with data which is there on this address. Addressing mode of this instruction is direct addressing mode, because here operand is address. In this instruction LDA is opcode and operand is address, and whenever operand is address, its addressing mode becomes direct addressing mode. Group. This instruction is from data transfer group, because we are transferring data towards accumulator. We are transferring data, that's why group is data transfer group. Bytes. This instruction is of 3 bytes, because LDA opcode will take 1 byte and this 4-digit address will take 2 byte. That's why overall it is 3 byte instruction. Remember, this address is a 4-digit number, and simple rule says that whenever you see 4-digit number in any instruction, then total number of bytes of that instructions are 3. This instruction is not going to affect any flag. Example, LDA 2020H. Here LD stand for load, A stand for accumulator, 2020H is address, and on that address particular data will be there. That data will get copied into accumulator. So explanation, this instruction will copy the content of 2020H address into accumulator. Before execution, let's say that content of accumulator, this square bracket is read as content of accumulator is equal to 25H, and content of 2020H is 37H. Here H stand for hexadecimal, means this 37 is hexadecimal number and 25 is hexadecimal number, and we want to execute instruction LDA 2020H. Now on 2020H address data is 37. Now because of LDA, what will happen? This 37 will get copied into accumulator, and new value of accumulator will become, after execution, 37H, and the content of address will remain unchanged. Content of 2020H will remain 37H. Now try some examples on yourself. Let's say that before execution content of accumulator is equal to 37H, and on address 7000H value is 33H. So data 33H is stored on address 7000H, and we want to execute instruction LDA 7000H. Now you have to tell me what will be the after execution content of accumulator, and give your answer in comments. What will be after execution content after executing LDA 7000H. Another example is, let's say that before execution content of accumulator is 2DH. Remember this D is hexadecimal number, and on address 9050H value is C5H. Again this C is hexadecimal number, because this H indicates that this entire number is hexadecimal, and we want to execute LDA 9050H instruction. Now after execution of LDA 9050H, you have to tell me what will be the content of accumulator. So give these answers in comments. Thank you.